So,
Okay.
opening the surprise from Dollar General today, how surprised were you?
Uh, Quite surprised. I mean, did have to ask for clarification because I'm like, is that real? Because it was such a large amount. It was a lot of zeros, and it took me a minute to process. And yeah, it was pretty remarkable.
And so you knew they were coming in today for something. Did you kind of have any inkling of what you might be getting, or?
No, I knew it was tied to literacy and their literacy foundation, but really no concept of what exactly might have been. I thought maybe books or something of that nature, but by no means I think it would be $50,000 for sure.
You start getting some hints when you saw some media here.
Yeah, that maybe was a little bit bigger than we thought. Absolutely. When people started rolling in with cameras and school board members started coming, I'm like, oh yeah, I guess we should be ready.
Okay, and so having such a donation for the school, how does that, initial thoughts, how does that make you feel about, what can you do for that or do with it?
It'll be amazing. I think there's a lot of potential out there, and we have a lot of great literacy experts here at our school and our district that I know that we'll work with to figure out what's going to be best for kids and how we can best utilize it. And it's exciting to think about all the possibilities that we might have. So looking forward to it.
Do some digging. It's a check for $50,000.
Oh my God. What sort of projects, items can the school use this for?
So there's really two big areas. One is reinvesting it in the library, but also some literacy programs. So I mentioned to Mr. Hall that we're going to go ahead and get some ideas that maybe some other schools have used and done with the program, with the funds, and go ahead and get those ideas over to him.
So it sounds like it's been a long-standing program for the company to be giving out these types of donations. What sort of criteria do you look at when you're deciding which schools and how much you can give?
Yeah, so it's based off of, we have little cash cubes. They're just little plastic boxes that customers donate their funds, and it's for literacy funds and reinvesting in the community. And then what we do is based on the contributions and the amount of contributions, then we find the local school based on what they've collected at the store, and then we at the stores, and then we reinvest it back into that community. So.
Okay, and so the kids' reaction today, it sounds like they were surprised but happy. How do you feel about that?
It was fantastic. You should have seen their faces, and quite frankly, Mr. Hall's. It was fantastic. So it was a surprise to everybody, other than us, that knew how much was in there and or what was in there. So it was great. It was fantastic.